Fun Toys Galaxy!
Hey guys, it's Jill from Fun Toys Galaxy. Thanks for joining us today. We are going to play with Minnie's Marvelous Microwave set. So don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to catch all of our fun videos. Okay, so let's see. She has some buttons, pretzel button, waffle button, bacon button, soup, popcorn, and s'mores. You can open it up. Put your food on the little rotating plate. Close it. Press which food that you have and hit start.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
So what should we make? We have, let's start with a can of soup. Open it up. Press the soup button.
Oh, I sure am hungry. What a wonderful smell.
Oh, our soup is ready. Let's get it out. Soup. Delicious. Okay, now I think I'm ready for some popcorn. Here's our bag of popcorn. Put it in the microwave. Where's the popcorn button? Here we go. Uh-oh, the bag got stuck. Ooh, it smells so good. Minnie Mouse popcorn. Okay, now what should we make? It looks like we have the stuff to make s'mores. We have a mini graham cracker, a piece of chocolate. The chocolate says Minnie on it too. Then we have a mouse ears marshmallow and another graham cracker that says Minnie on it. Okay, let's put it in the microwave. Ah, it's falling apart. There we go. Okay, and there's a graham cracker button.
Cooking together is so much fun. I love making healthy snacks. Yummy.
Okay, I think that means it's ready. Don't disappoint us, Minnie. We want a yummy s'mores. Ooh, gooey, melty. Let's see what else we can make. Maybe marshmallow soup. Yum. That sounds good. Marshmallow soup. Which button should we push? Let's try waffle. Oh. Time to eat that marshmallow soup. Oh, so melty and gooey. What else can we make? How about graham cracker popcorn? I mean, our options are so limited. Let's just try something new. Uh-oh. It fell down. Okay, let's go for the popcorn and the bacon button. It sure is. Hey, you didn't start.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Okay.
Ooh, the snacks are ready.
Yay, snacks. Perfect snack for a movie. Graham cracker popcorn. All right, guys, thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit subscribe to catch all of our out of this world fun videos, and give us a thumbs up if you liked our Minnie Mouse Marvelous Microwave set. See you next time.